Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button down below because we bring you valuable information that can help you with your hair and with your kids' hair. So today, what are we talking about? So today we are talking about aloe vera. You know, people always get confused. There's aloe vera, the plant itself. There's also aloe vera gel, you know. There's also aloe vera juice. So aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice, aloe vera the plant, and there's even aloe vera oil. Now all these aloe vera things, you'll be like, how do I use it? So this video is going to tell you different ways that you can incorporate aloe vera into your hair routine and hair regimen. Now, aloe vera is really good in terms of bringing moisture into your hair, in terms of growth, in terms of helping enhance products that you have. It can also be good with closing your cuticles after you've washed your hair to lock in that moisture. So many benefits. Aloe vera also has healing properties to it. So if you have like a rash or something, or your skin is irritated, or your skin is causing problems or palaver or wahala, then you can use aloe vera gel also. So let's start off first with the real aloe vera, which is the right aloe vera to use, which is the best aloe vera to use. The best aloe vera to use will be the plant. So using aloe vera from the plant, the inside jelly consistency thing in the plant is the best aloe vera to use. Now if you don't have access to the plant, what is the other aloe vera to use? You can get aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel, and this is the one that I like. This one you can get it in stores, Amazon, you can even get it in Walmart, you can get it in anywhere, pharmacies. So not only that can you use this in your hair, you can take the gel, you can mix with your hair products, you can mix it with your shea butter to create a more moisturizing ingredient. So you know that shea butter is a sealant that locks in moisture, but when you couple it with aloe vera, it will help convert it to a moisturizing sealant, moisturizing cream. So you just add aloe vera, you add your shea butter, put some oils in there, you have your cream, and it's good. It gives you a nice twist out and nice style. So that's how you can use the gel. The gel will not be something that I will put in my spritz. So if you're making a hair spritz, you know, that you spray your hair to moisturize your hair, you don't want to put the gel in there, because what will happen is that the gel will sit on top of it, and you don't want to do that. Now for aloe vera juice, how will you use aloe vera juice? The ways that I use aloe vera juice is, number one, I will use it in my spritz. If you have a hairspray, you know, the spray thing that you do, take some aloe vera juice, put it with some water, put some oil, you can put some leave-in in there, shake it real good, and you have a very good moisturizing hairspray. Now the other way that you can use it is that you can also use it when you are doing DIY and you're trying to do, for example, bentonite clay DIY. All these mixtures, use the juice instead of the gel if it's something that you want to wash out. If you want to wash it out, use the juice. If you want to keep it in, use this. Now washing it out in terms of treatment, that's what I mean. Now if it's a spray, of course you can use this also. Have I confused you guys? I don't know. Anyway, last way that you can also use it is that you can use it when, after you wash your hair, you can let this be the last spray or last water that you put in your hair, and what it does is that it's sealing that moisture, it locks in your cuticle, it closes your cuticle. So those are the ways that I use it. If you use aloe vera oil, I've not used aloe vera oil before, but aloe vera oil is something that you can also use. You can use it to massage into your scalp, and you can use it for your hair in general. So that's basically it. Now I want to hear from you guys. How do you use aloe vera? Which one do you use? Which brand do you use? Comment below. Let's start talking, because aloe vera is life. Okay, so we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to join us on our live chat on Discovery Natural live stream channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.